Is OneDrive automatically backing up your desktop, documents, and pictures folders? Here's how to turn it off in Windows 11. Done. Your files will stay on your PC without being automatically backed up to OneDrive. Follow for more Windows 11 tips.